What is the quickest way to HTTP GET in Python? What is the quickest way to HTTP GET in Python if I know the content will be a string? I am searching the documentation for a quick one-liner like. But all I can find using Google Matplotlib and Erlib, and I am unable to find a shortcut in those libraries. Does standard Python 2.5 have a shortcut in some form as above, or should I write a function URL_get? I would prefer not to capture the output of shelling out to J or curl.
Python 3, Python 2. Documentation for erlib.request and read.
Use the requests library. Then you can do stuff like this. Install requests by running this command.
If you want solution with Matplotlib to be one-liner, consider instantiating anonymous HTTP object.
Have a look at Matplotlib 2, which, next to a lot of very useful features, provides exactly what you want. Where content would be the response body, as a string, and rest would contain the status and response headers. It doesn't come included with a standard Python install though, but it only requires standard Python, but it's definitely worth checking out.